Not sure which face wash suits your skin? The answer is closer than you think. It's right behind the package. Simply scan the barcode. Enter your details. This helps our system calibrate to your specific biology. Capture 3 angles: front, right, and left. Our AI performs a multi-point scan to identify conditions below the surface. Receive your digital blueprint instantly. Accurate data, backed by science, with a routine tailored to you. Your data secured. Your skin solved.
Mas, jadinya yang cuff hijau tua ya?
Oh iya baik.
Start your private consult now.